Quick thing I want to show you, and you can do this. You can play around with it. You don't have to do it. Is I want to add like a living thing, a creature, animal, a person, a monster, whatever, as a silhouette, like the trees are and the landscape. So there's a couple ways you can do this, but I'm gonna actually do it. Create it as a brush, so it has really sharp edges, and there's no weird like fuzziness around it. So what I'm gonna do is, the first thing I'm gonna do is go to Google, and I've already done this. I was like, oh, an elephant. I'm actually gonna pick this one, I think. Well, why not? So I'm gonna copy this image, and then I'm gonna go back to my Photoshop, and I'm going to, again, I'm gonna close all my layers down. I'm going to create a new layer. I'm going to paste. So Command V. I'm going to paste that. And what I'm going to do is go here to select color range. What that does is allow you to use the dropper tool to pick a single color, and it'll select that color. So I'm going to click on the black part of the elephant, and this is up to 200. I'm going to OK. And you see it just chose the selection around the black elephant part. And you can do one of two things. You can either cut, so Command X, and then just delete this. Or what you can do is you can hit Command Shift I, and it does an inverse. It means it reverses the selection, and then you can hit delete, and it'll just delete the white part. So I'm going to go Command D and deselect that. I'm going to get my rectangle marquee tool up here in the corner and draw a rectangle around my elephant. I am going to go to Edit, Define Brush Preset, and call this Elephant 1, just in case I want to make another elephant brush. Okay, there's my tool. Hit deselect. I'm going to close this down. I can delete it, but I'm just going to close it down for now. And I'm going to open up my other layers again. Ooh, the Hulk is there. I made a Hulk brush. Not working as well as I like it. Okay. So now I'm going to, you can see my elephant brushes here. What I'm going to do is, okay, I chose my elephant brush, and you can see, go away. If I click on, so here's my foreground layer, the darkest black one. I want to make a new layer in front of that. And then I have my elephant silhouette, and I can just click and paint it right there. It's not the right color. I want it to be the same color as the foreground. So I'm going to eyedropper, Command I, and then click on the foreground. And again, it's down here, so I have to flip it. Go back to my brush, so B, and then click. Now I have an elephant in my scene. How cool is that? You can see the edge of it is pretty nice. Oops. It's not blurry. It doesn't. You can. What's cool about this too is that. Wow, this is just not working. You can hit Command T. And then if you grab one of the corners and drag it, you can make it bigger. So I could put it in front of like this tree, whatever. Move this cloud up by the way. And yeah. And if you want to get into more details, we can do some highlights on the elephant as well from the sun. But there you go. You can create silhouette shapes in Illustrator to put those around. I could put some more little elephants back here if I wanted to, like the trees. And so now I have this pink sunset over the mountains of Africa, I guess. Anyways, so that's how you make a silhouette shape for one of these types of landscapes. So I hope this was helpful, and I will, I guess, see you in the next video. Thanks, guys.